Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have a Lenovo laptop. A laptop has a problem with three blinking light on start button when you put the power plug in, and we're going to fix this issue. This is a common issue when you plugged in. See, I'm plugging in this power pack and you see the three blinking lights on the laptop. The solution I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So we're going to open the laptop. Once a laptop is open, the first plan is to remove the memory. I'm going to remove the one memory slot, and the second thing, I'm going to remove the BIOS. If you follow this video and if you have this problem, just follow exactly what I'm doing, and that's going to be resolve your problem. If you have a three blinking light on the start button, so the first thing is first you removing both memories, then you are going to remove the BIOS, and hold it for 30 seconds. After you plug the BIOS, the CMOS battery in, and then you put the memory back in, the laptop should work normally. This is a common problem in Lenovo. So if you follow this my video, and this problem is going to be resolved 100% if is this issue, three blinking light on the power button. Some blinking light on the power supply, the laptop you have, for example, when you power in, and you will see on the left side where is the power pack going in, you got three lights blinking. So three light blinking is motherboard issue. Sometime sometime is the power is not going in, no passing through from MOSFET. But this is not a motherboard problem. This is a problem with the CMOS battery, and we just gonna drain the CMOS battery. Once the CMOS battery drained, then everything is going back to the normal, and you will see asking for you, it will ask you to reset the time set. You don't do anything, just click on escape button, and once you click on escape button, the laptop start normally. You're putting everything back in, memory back in, and everything should be working fine. If you follow my video, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, and please do like a video, and please share the comments where you which country you are watching this video from, and how you finding this video. If there's any other issues comes you are having, please do mention. I'll try my best to have a look your comments and message you back how to resolve it. We get loads of laptops and desktops coming into our workshop, and we repair it. Sometimes we're not 100% repair, but sometimes we try our best to fix this problem. I hope you like my video. If you watch the video, see what I'm doing, and good luck for your laptop. And we'll see you in the next video. Once we get another laptop, we make a next video for another laptop.